Well, good afternoon, folks. Today is Sunday afternoon. We're about a week and 2 days after we dropped all that sand in the lawn. So today would be no big deal. It would just be a normal mow, except for the fact that this is the first time we're mowing the lawn. Hey, Garrett. He's all excited about the weed eater. We'll get there in a second, buddy. Anyway, so we're pretty excited about the mow today because it's the first one. I'm gonna be real careful not to go over any super exposed sand. Just gonna raise the height a couple notches from where we normally are, and we're gonna mow and we'll go from there. So I'll give you guys a tour when I'm all done. Hopefully I will still be somewhat coherent. It is super humid today, and it's hot and it's stifling, and the dog is barking. So we'll see you guys in a bit. It is super hot and humid out here. The edges look good. I mean, there's a lot of sand in there, so I didn't want to go too crazy, but I ended up trimming it, and it really needed it. Bermuda is awesome. I mean, it just wants to spread. It just does its thing. And even with all the sand, I mean, it's really trying to push through. This area right here, as you can see, it's still pretty thick. I am starting to get some green coming through, so it's good. I'm just really nervous about mowing here. I may not mow over here at all. I may just do a couple strips and stay away from the sand completely. I really don't want to disturb this until it's really moving. We'll see what it looks like when I start mowing. But like I said, I'm gonna raise the height of cut just a little bit, put it up a couple of notches, and see how we do from there. All right, let's get to it. Let's see, yes. So let's raise it 2 notches to there. And we're not gonna bag today. As you can see, I ventured a little bit too far. Got a track in there, but I'll rake that out. That's about as far as I wanted to go. I got back there, but I'm not gonna go over that. And I am definitely not going over that. We're just gonna leave this as is. I don't feel like I'm really cutting anything, but I'm okay with it for now. In a few days, it won't matter. But check out that domination line right there. Pretty impressive. I don't think anything's being cut. I was gonna wait a couple weeks, or not a couple weeks, I was gonna wait another week to lower the height of cut. I think I'm gonna do it now. Especially back here because there's not a whole lot of sand, so we're just gonna lower it. Looks like a big old storm's coming. We are all done with the first mow. Honestly, the height cut that I had it at didn't look like I did anything. That's why I lowered it on the second half of the hill. Went right up here and I actually lowered it again, not to the scalp level, but to one notch above that. And it cut a little bit more, but not that much. So the next lower setting is gonna be with the real mower, but I can't do that until all the sand is gone. So let me show you what we got here. So over here on what I call the right side of our driveway, there's quite a bit of sand, but you can definitely see green that's actually starting to pop up over here and down there. I'm watering this every day. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my leveler out here, since I do have a bunch of tire marks that I put in like right there, and level it all out. The front actually looks really good considering how much sand I put down on this. It looks amazing. So I gotta clean all of this stuff, get the blower out, and as you can see, the sand's actually going away pretty quickly. Leveled right there where the pop-up is. Over there is actually quite a bit of grass. And then right here where one of the water meters are, it looks like sand, but actually there's a metal plate right there. So I mean, it looks really, really good. I'm pretty happy with it. I think in a few more days, maybe another week, all of this will be ready to mow. So when you get over here to the side, looking great. I have the height of cut right here a little bit higher. And then when I got to, you can kind of see that line like right there. That's when I changed and I redid the rest of the hill with the mower a little bit lower. But as you can see, it's looking fantastic. I mean, I could not be more pleased with the way it's looking. Well, that's it, folks. That's it for me tonight. I think that we've got some really great progress going on here. Pretty happy with how things are turning out. It's still a little bit bumpy. This isn't going to be the last time that I level this lawn, but this was definitely a productive first step. Obviously, 10 yards of sand is a lot of sand, but I think all the nitrogen that I put down right before is actually paying off. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys in the loop as I continue to move forward. I've got some micronutrients I got to put down. I may do that tomorrow. But for now, I'm going to call it a night, go get cleaned up and stop sweating for a while, I hope. Again, I really do appreciate all the support I'm getting on this channel. I appreciate everybody that gives input. Oh, also one more thing. If you stayed this long in the video, check out the new logo. I just put that up today. And hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you think. We'll talk very, very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. If you want to be informed of any new videos, don't forget to hit that bell. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good night.